What's up? It's your boy Rocksteady in the building. We back. The name of the channel is Rollin with Rock. If you've been here before, we appreciate you. Come on in. If you've never been here before, kick back, relax, and let's get it. All right. So today we're gonna do an unboxing and a activity. Okay. So we got two items here. First item, this is from lifestylecycles.com where I bought my Saddlemen seat. So since the Saddlemen seat did not come with the optional rain cover, we got the rain cover. I put the price over here, and you'll see how much that costs. Wasn't bad though. Wasn't bad at all. So let's get this open. A little rainy out here today, cloudy, so yeah, no. So of course we got more stickers. And here is our seat cover. So it stretches out. See, it stretches out. Then it has the little slot here for the backrest. So we'll pop this on the bike in a second. Lay this here real quick. And then we'll open this other item here. All right, so the next item I haven't opened at all, but since I did buy the Saddlemen seat, and we dropped a little something on that, I said, hey, you know what? Why not protect your investment? So I ordered this from Volunteer Audio simply because they had the cheapest price and they actually shipped very fast. Even messing with the postal service, they shipped fast. So this is, as my grandpa used to say, you can't stop them from stealing. All you can do is slow them down. So we're gonna try to slow them down if I can get this open up, because it got me slowed down. Well, you got to look at it darn. Brute force on this. All right, so without further ado, we have dun 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 the Robert Becker Seat Lox. So this is a color match. Got the orange, as you can see. This right here is designed to, you have a little key here, as you can see. So I'll probably just throw this in the tour pack. But basically this will protect it so somebody can't just come and unscrew your seat bolt and walk off with your brand new Saddlemen seat. So we'll get this installed on the bike too, as we speak. All these little compartments. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back. And we back. Okay, so we got the box cutter. So let's just cut this open. Okay, so we have the little seat lock part. As you can see, it has a little hole in it. Then we have the barrel that screws into the seat, and this goes on top of it. Then we have our key. So, from my way I understand this works. Okay, so the way this works is it has a little rod that comes out in the middle of this, and it goes in this slot once you engage the lock. So you drop it on here. There it goes. Push it in, and now it is officially locked. Okay? So let's put this on the bike. Unlock it. Pull it out. So take it out here. Okay. Oh, so while we're here, let's pop the seat on here, seat cover. Let's have a look. So we got the front. Cool. Like this. Put this on here. Not exactly sure how this is all supposed to go. Underneath. Oh, okay, got a little switch here. Sit it down, and voila, we got a seat cover. Nice. Okay. Protecting our investment. All right, so next up, let's get this out of here. Smokes. Right. Oh, it's screwed off there. That's why. Okay, so let's get that all off for there. Okay, so we'll save this. All right, so now with our new lock, so we'll screw this in first. Alright, so once we got that finger tight, we've got it unlocked. So we press it down. And there you have it, folks. Seat lock. The seat ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. Nice. All right. That's it for the video. Oops, before I get that, the activity. So, the activity that we're going to do is, I've said before that with all of these stickers that they keep sending me, I was going to clean off this table and stick the stickers on there. So as I buy parts, if they send me stickers, we'll stick them on the table. So I did have this cleaned off. So let's get this cleaned off. And why not? We'll start with the Hard Works. So I think that's the first thing I bought was the Hard Works. Hard. Maybe it was hard. So we'll just get the Hard Works in here. Wrap it right in the center. Why not? It's kind of crooked, kind of not. Okay, so that's what it looks like for now. We got plenty of space, so as we get more parts, it's always a plus, and more stickers, we'll go from there. But with that being said, it's your boy Rob Steady, and we out. Peace.